The information on Florida HealthFinder is useful not only to healthcare consumers, but also to healthcare researchers. On Florida HealthFinder, if you click Researcher Data near the top of the screen, you can see a whole other side to Florida HealthFinder. Here, you can search reports and guides, quick data summaries, and research studies, as well as see links to other resources such as boards and councils, the Florida Health Information Network, and the Florida Medicaid Incentive Program. This is also the home of our Order Data and Data Dictionary page. To view this, let's click the white-blue button near the top of the page that says Order Data. Although there is a lot of information readily available on Florida HealthFinder, researchers sometimes have a need for more specific healthcare information. This page shows you what information is available to order, including a data catalog and a price list for special orders. If you have questions about ordering data, there is contact information located at the bottom of this page. Researcher Data is also the home of our Patient Data Query tool. This is a tool that allows you to search 3 types of patient data: hospital inpatient, ambulatory outpatient, and emergency department data, and run database queries for each of these 3 types of providers.